If you wish to manually add a subscriber to one of your mailing lists, first off, let's find the mailing list that we wish to place them in. We just need to click on our list to open it, and you'll see here that the current subscribers on this list will now be shown. But from the Actions menu up here, if we select Add Contact, this will now provide us with the option to add a new single contact, so it's just a case of filling in their details. You only need to complete the fields that you wish to contain data for. If, for example, we don't want to hold a mobile number, we can simply leave it blank. When you're ready to add the subscriber, just click Add Subscriber. Okay, we can see they've now been successfully added to our mailing list, and here's a summary of our contact card. We can close the contact card by clicking the button here, and we will now be returned to the summary of our list, showing our newly added subscriber.